Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare TradingView vs ChartIQ, which is better. Follow exactly as I highlight core differences and test key features step by step so you can pick the right tool. I will demonstrate interface layout, indicator libraries, real-time data reliability, and customization limits while noting mobile and desktop experiences. Stay tuned for a clear, user-focused comparison that helps you match features to trading needs without fluff. Let's explore features side by side with clear examples so you know what each platform actually delivers for traders and developers. I will show how scripting and community scripts shape TradingView workflows and how ChartIQ integrates deeply into broker platforms for white label setups. Expect hands-on comparisons of indicators, alerts, layout saving, and multi-device sync to reveal which feature sets suit casual traders, active traders, and institutional users. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content for traders. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to save time between sessions, and they make snacks easy during long analysis days. Check the description for the link and other deals that help keep my setup tidy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Performance and data quality often decide which charting suite professionals choose, so I'll test load times, tick accuracy, and historical data depth in realistic scenarios. You will hear about how different data feeds affect backtesting and live trading, and which platform handles high-frequency chart updates more smoothly. I will also compare API availability and typical costs, so you understand long-term expenses and integration effort for serious use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.